Hi, hello, here is Vandana Metkar. Now we are going to learn the next part of the first lesson, Maths First, 10th Standard Maths First, Linear Equation and Two Variables. Today we are going to study about what is meant by determinant. This is called as a determinant. In this determinant, we can see A, B in a row and A, C and B, D in a column. In this determinant, there are also two rows and two columns. Therefore, we can say this is a determinant in a degree of 2 because here are two columns and two rows. And we can see here four numbers. Here we suppose that is here are the A, B, C, D are the four numbers. In this way written that example is called as a determinant. Then how solve this determinant? See here, we can solve these determinants in the same way as a cross multiplication. Means A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. Here see A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C, and then we can solve this determinant. Now see the actual example how to solve the determinant. See here, first example A, determinant 5, 3, 7, 9. Here taking cross multiplication, 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7 into bracket 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7, next bracket 5 into 9 become 45 minus 3 into 7 become 21. 45 minus 21 is equal to 24. This is a very simple one. How to solve the determinant? Determinant is a very simple one. Now see here, next example, minus 8 minus 3, 2, 4. Now again cross multiplication, first bracket minus 8 multiplied by 4. It is become minus 32 because negative and positive number become to answer negative. Minus sign as example, minus 3 it's about the number, minus into bracket minus 3 multiplied by 2, minus 3 into 2 become to minus 6, and this is minus of examples, minus sign, formulas minus sign, minus 32, minus minus become to plus, minus multiplied by minus become to plus always, therefore minus 32 plus 6. Now here are sign differ, there will be subtraction of numbers, after subtraction answer will be 26, and every time answer get bigger number signs means answer get minus 26. Again one see here the first third one example B, 2 root 3, 9, 2, 3 root 3. Don't be confused about the root 3. It is also simple. See here, and the same way cross multiplication, 2 into root 3 multiplied by 3 into root 3. Now see here, we first multiply numbers, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 sorry, 2 into 3 is become to 6, and root 3 into root 3 become to 9 because root 3 into root 3 become root 9. Root 3 into root 3 means root 9, and root 9 means 9th root is also again 3, means 2 into 3, 6, root 3 into root 3 again 3, and 6 multiplied by 3 then coming to 18. This is minus sign here, and 2 into 9, 2 here and 9 here, cross multiplication, 2 into 9 become also 18, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. In this way we can solve the determinant very easily. First only this rule reminded you, cross, here is a cross multiplication. First one, these twos, then negative sign, and then these two, and after subtraction we will get the answer of determinant. Now we can follow off in this lesson as a Cramel's rule. Cramel's rule is given by this scientist. He follow off, or he introduced this method. Therefore, for his honor, we say his name to that rule or that method is Cramel's rule. We have to follow few steps for the Cramel's rule. First we have to write the equation in this way, ax plus by is equal to c, means x and y variables on the left side of equal to sign, and we can say constant term on the right side of equations. If there is a jumble form, we have to write in this way, first standard form. Then we can find d, dx and dy. Here is also one clue hint I will tell you. Then after we find the equation, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. These three rules we have to follow it, then easily we can solve that equation. See here, first 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. See here, this first number is always right as a 1, this is second and this is third. Give the rule number to that one. What is x variable as a first, y variable as a second and constant as a third. Here is also first, second and third. Now for a d we can write 12. 12 means first and second. See here, first 5 and 3, downside also 2 and 4. This is 12. 5, 3, 2 and 4. Now cross multiplication. Now dx4 we can write as a 32. 32 means third number 11 and second number 3. Third number 10 and second number 4. And for a dy we can follow up the 13. How do we follow this? You have to remind it the rule. Which is the rule? The rule, see here. For d we can see 12 means first number and second number, and dx 32 means third number and second number, and for dy 13 means first number and third number. We have to always give this is as a first, this is as a second and this is as a third. And in this way here also first 12 means first and second. See here 5 and 3, first and second, 2 and 3 right here. And d for dx is equal to 32 means third and second, minus 11 3, minus 10 4 here also, and 13 means first one and third one. 5 minus 11 and second was is 2 minus 10. Now here see here we can solve this by cross multiplication. 5 into 4 is equal to 20, minus 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 20 minus 6 is equal to 14. Now here also cross multiplication. Minus 11 into 4 minus 10 into 3, minus 11 into 4 minus 44, minus 10 into 3 minus 30, minus minus become 2 plus. Here also sign differ is subtraction. 44 minus plus 30 is subtraction 14, and answer get bigger number sign. Here also see 5 into minus 10 is minus 15, 2 into minus 11 is minus 22, minus minus going to plus, minus 50 plus 22 becomes minus 21, answer get bigger number sign. Now we have to solve the Cramer's rule. What is Cramer's rule? X is equal to dx upon d, means we find the value here is dx is minus 14 and d is 14. Minus 14 upon 14 is equal to minus 1. Now dy upon d, y's value is dy upon d means minus 28 upon 14. Minus 28 upon 14 is become to 2. In this way, by the rule of Cramer's rule, we can solve this equation xy is equal to minus 1 minus 2. This is a solution. Now again we can solve again one example. You can understand it very well. Here is also we write here, see the in the jumble form. First 2x in a first side plus y in a next one, because we have to follow the rule 12, 32, 13 for x variable, then second y variable, and this constant term going to either side. Negative 19 going to either side as a positive 19. Here first term 2x as it is, and second term is as it is because it is a y variable, and this constant term going to either side as a plus 3 as minus 3. For d is 13. 13 means first 12. Sorry, for d there is a, we follow the rule 12. 12 means first and second. 2 and here is coefficient 1. 2 1. Here is 2 and here is coefficient minus 3. 2 minus 3. Now cross multiplication. 2 minus 3 become 2 minus 6. Here see minus 6. 1 into 2 become 2. Minus 6 minus 2 become 2 minus 8. Now about the dx we follow the rule 32 means third term 19 and second term 1. 19 1. Here also third number minus 3 and second number minus 3. Here also see minus 3 minus 3. 19 into 3 become to minus 57, and minus 1 into 3 become to minus 3, and this is a minus sign of examples formula sign. Now minus minus become plus 3. Minus 57 plus 3 become to minus 54. Now for dy we follow the rule as a 13 means first and third. First 2 and third 19th here. First 2, third 19, first 2, third minus 3. Now again cross multiplication, 2 minus 3 become 2 minus 6. 19 into 2 become to 38, minus 6 minus 38 is become to minus 44. Now by Cramer's rule we follow the rule. Formula x is equal to dx upon d. 54 dx value is here is 54 and d's value is minus 8. Minus 54 upon minus 8 become to plus 7. Y is equal to dy upon d. dy's value is minus 44 upon minus 8. Minus 44 upon minus 8 we can get the value plus 5.5. In this way second also example we complete. Here also see, here we solve the determinant. Here also one given activity, 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, plus 4. 3 and plus 4 become to 7. Here also we write the direct answer of this, and here also here see 3 into 1, 3, 16 into 2, 32, minus 32, minus 32, minus 32 into minus is plus. 3 into plus 32 is 35. Here also we can get the answer. Now here follow the Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx 35 upon d 7. 35 upon d 7 is equal to 5. dy y is equal to dy 42 upon d 7. 42 upon 7 is equal to 6. Now we will be solve the on the next video we can solve the remaining examples. If you like this video then subscribe, share it and click on bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.